Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
This is Aman Maheshwari.
And this is Ritika Mishra from Upside Down Labs. And you are watching 19th update of Quartz application. For those who are new here, Quartz is an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for biopotential signals like ECG, EMG, EOG and EEG. So without further ado, let's get started.
Last week we officially announced Neuro Playground Lite in Quartz. NPG Lite is a sleek 3-channel wireless biopotential amplifier for EMG, ECG, EOG and EEG. Its compact design and hassle-free setup ensures easy portability, quick deployment and a clutter-free experience. Makes it ideal for research, education and wearable applications. Pre-launch page is already live on Cloud Supply. Sign up now to get all the updates.
Since Quartz Web supports Neuro Playground Lite, you can now visualize your focus levels in real time effortlessly. Simply power it on, upload the firmware, and you are ready to stream and analyze biopotential signals instantly. This week we have improved the beta candle feature. Now you can switch to the full page view for more immersive experience. Beta candle shows how focused you are live in the moment, making it fun and interactive way to visualize your brainwaves. Head over to the quartz.upsidedownlabs.tech and click Arduino firmware to get started. Begin by uploading the NPG Lite firmware to your board. First, ensure the ESP32 Expressive library is installed in your Arduino IDE. Then navigate to the tool menu, select ESP32 from the board list and choose ESP32C6 Dev as your board. Also enable the USB CDC on boot option under the tool. Once everything is configured, hit the upload button to flash the firmware. After a successful upload, your board is ready for the real-time signal visualization. Now go back to the quartz.upsidedownlabs.tech. Click on the Visualize Now button and open the FFT Visualizer from the applications to start visualizing your EEG signal in real time. Once inside the FFT Visualizer, you will notice a Beta Candle button on screen. Click that button to open the small view of Beta Candle. Look at the top right corner of the candle canvas view. You will find an icon to maximize Beta Candle into full page view. This gives you clear focused space to observe your focus levels without distraction. If you want to go back, simply click on Minimize icon top right corner of this full page view and it will take you back to the regular screen. We are working on various BCI projects based on EEG signals using Neuro Playground Lite.
That's all for this week's update. Be sure to explore our roadmap on Quartz GitHub repo. The link is in the description box below. For more information, check out the Quartz documentation which is also linked below. Also, if you are interested in getting Neuro Playground Lite, then the pre-launch page is already live on Cloud Supply. Sign up to get all updates. Exciting updates are coming soon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.